Hey guys, Patricia Zars here, your Texas Pool Concierge. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you're not new, welcome back. I want to talk about one of the key components of any pool, and that's your filtration system. When it comes to choosing the right type of filter for your pool, there's a lot of different things to take into account. I mean, all filters help keep your water clean in your pool, but what's the difference between them? So today on Pool Talk with Trish, we're going to compare your two most popular types of pool filters, your sand filter and your cartridge filter. So let's dive in. Okay, so we get this question a lot. What's the difference between a sand filter and a cartridge filter, and which one of them is better? Well, your sand filter really is one of your oldest types of pool filters. And basically they consist of a large spherical shaped globe that's filled with silica sand, or what's more commonly referred to as filter sand. And as the water flows into the filter, it passes through the sand. And then the dirt and other particles get trapped in the sand, allowing clean water to then flow back into the pool. And your sand filters can remove particles as small as about 20 microns. Depending on how much the pool is used and how much dirt and debris and other particles are in the pool water, your filter sand can last anywhere from 5 to even 10 years before it needs to be changed out. Now, regular maintenance is a big part of how long it will last as well. And backwashing your sand filter is one of the biggest parts of the maintenance of a sand filter. And as the particles become trapped in the sand, it becomes harder and harder for the water to flow back into the pool. So this is why backwashing needs to be done regularly. Sand filters are pretty easy to use and operate, and the backwashing is fairly easy as well. But you do have to keep in mind that backwashing will lower the pool water some, and having to replace the water in the pool can throw off the chemical balance of the water when it's done frequently. Okay, now your cartridge filters, they pretty much just consist of a two-piece tank, a bottom and a lid, and then a cartridge that sits down inside the tank. Water's pushed into the cartridge tank from your pump, and then it's filtered through the cartridge membrane. Your particles then get trapped in the fabric, and then clean water is returned to the pool. And the maintenance on your cartridge filters is quite a bit less, being that you never have to backwash. You simply take the filter out, hose it down thoroughly, and then return it back to the tank. Your filters do need to be replaced every 1 to 3 years, depending on the use of the pool. But without the backwashing, you're also not dealing with the loss of water or the chemical imbalance. Backwashing a sand filter takes anywhere from 20 to 30 minutes, whereas thoroughly cleaning your cartridge typically only 5 to 10 minutes. So when it comes to the overall maintenance, the cartridge filter does tend to be the better option. However, both of them are great filters, both are easy to use, and both are low maintenance. Now your cartridge filters, they can actually screen out twice as much dirt and debris and other particles as your sand filters can, all the way down to as small as 10 to 15 microns. And your maintenance on the cartridge filter tends to be much less than the sand filters because there's no backwashing required. So when it comes to comparing your sand filter and your cartridge filter, most of the time we do recommend the cartridge filter. They catch smaller particles, they clean more rapidly, they actually require less pump pressure, which is better for your energy efficiency, and overall very easy to maintain. Now, sand filters are still a great option, and there are some situations where we do recommend the sand filter. Your larger residential pools and your commercial pools that are going to have a lot of bathers and a lot of body oil and sunscreen, sometimes the sand is the better option. If you've got any questions at all, you can always reach out. Just call or text 210-834-7054. I'm always here to answer any and all of your pool questions. I look forward to talking with you soon, and I look forward to helping you get swimming. Oh, and of course, if you found this information valuable, make sure you like it, share it out with anyone else you feel may benefit from it. I'd love to see your comments too. And of course, if you're on my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and you hit that little bell icon to get notified of any new future content. I'll see you guys soon. Oh, and while you're here, don't forget to check down in the description. I've got some links to some incredible products for pool maintenance and other things that you can use while you're enjoying your pool.